And so I wrote this song with my mum right there beside me, called the Arranged Marriage Song. You may or may not know it. If you do know it, sing along. Nick, if you can hit that would be appreciated. That's right. Yeah. Is that all good for you guys? You guys can sing along with me because I'm going to need some help on this one. Yeah, you see, a year ago I was fighting for love, trying to find myself a lady to love. But this dude Jay Sean, he was down with the brown girl. And Justin Bieber, he's so long away from her. And so I asked myself, will I ever get married? And I need some help. But then my mother walked in and my stress blew away. And my mind told me out, hello man, you were there I never met. But it made it hard to get, it was kind of okay. So I need you running there, every way they said. I took her out to a bar, where the light would stop. And I was like, oh yeah. So I don't know if you guys know it or not. John Barlow, the guy who sings the second verse, he's not here right now. So I'm going to need you guys to help me out, yeah? I know you guys know the words. The name's John Barlow. Are you the police? Are you the young chap marrying my niece? Well, NBA, quite the catch. But that's right. Here's some free advice from above. In arranged marriage, you must build a love. So treat her with respect and welcome to our family. We're pretty damn loaded. Check this out. Yeah. And if you're back, she can do you wrong. Oh, and if you're right, oh yeah. Don't express. One more time, guys. Yeah. With my eyes on you to the brain. When you're right. Dance team. That's it for me. Have a good one. See you later.